Hello students, in our previous class I discussed about you with the definition of seed, origin of seed and the structure of a typical dicot seed. And in this class I am going to discuss with you about the structure of a monocot seed, that is maize seed, according to your textbook. So what is monocot seed? Monocot seeds are the seeds which bears single cotyledon in it, that is maize seed or rice seed, wheat seed, etc. If you look at the maize seed, then how is the structure of a maize seed? Maize seeds are the flattened and rectangular in shape, having golden yellow color, and the outer flattened surface wheatish depression is present in the maize seed, which is called deltoid region. And the maize seed is composed of outer covering and kernel. So in outer covering, the seed coat and fruit coat or pericarp is fused in maize seed. That is why it is called grain. So there is no different seed coat or fruit coat is present like dicot seed. That is the exclusive feature of the monocot seed, that those two coats are fused to form a single outer covering. And what is the function of this covering? This covering just protect the seed from the environmental hazard. And the next part of maize grain other than the outer covering is kernel. Kernel is composed of endosperm and embryo. As you have already know that the monocot seed is an endospermic seed or albuminous seed, because the food for the embryo stored in the endosperm in the monocot seed. And mainly most of the monocot seeds are endospermic, because they are food not stored in the cotyledons like dicot seed, they are stored in the endosperm. There are two layers in the endosperm of a monocot seed, that is aleurone layer and another is epithelium layer. The outer covering of the endosperm separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer is called aleurone layer, and the layer between the plant and its stored food is called epithelium layer. So these are the two layers that separates endosperm from the embryo and the stored food. Now what about the embryo? The embryo in a maize grain is small and situated in a groove at one end of the endosperm. So embryo composed of a tigellum or embryonic axis and cotyledon, and the plumule and radicle are the two ends present in the tigellum. The upper end is called plumule, from which shoot system is arised, and the lower end of the embryonal axis is called radicle, from where the root systems are arised. So these are the embryonal axis, and the plumule and radicles are enclosed with the sheaths. The sheath present in the surface of the plumule is called coleoptile, and in the surface of the radicle is called coleorhiza. And now about the cotyledon. A single cotyledon in a maize grain is termed the scutellum. This is one large shaped shield like structure which don't store food, and they present only in the seed at the one end of the seed. So this is termed the scutellum. So these are all about the structure of a monocot seed, and I have a schematic diagram for you which I have attached with this audio document. Please follow this schematic diagram. I hope your understanding will be easy. So student, follow my class and just read the textbook, and I hope you will all understand about the topic seed. Okay, thank you students.